Okay, so we're here to repair spindles, whether it be Weiss or third party. We have a massive global network of over 300 spindle experts across Europe, Americas, Asia, and we're here to service the industry, of machine tools. Here at Weiss Spindle Services, I'm the business manager. I'm responsible for the business in its entirety, so from cradle to grave of the product and the items that we look after. The facility is brand new, built last year. We moved in June this year. Complete refit, moved from a very old aging facility to this new facility where, as you can see, everything's new or refurbished. And we have capability for all eventualities, so to cover all spindle types. Additionally, we have opportunities for training, spindle, hotel, etc. So there's lots of new things that have come in as we've moved it to the new facility.
So my role at Weiss is I'm heading the global business, Weiss Spindle Technology within the Innomotics Group. And then we said, okay, how do we want to operate the business? Being closer to the customer, being really more state-of-the-art. That was the reason why we invested here in the UK in this facility here in Cheadle. To say, okay, we have to go forward because otherwise, if we are not state-of-the-art for the future, we will lose the customers. And so that was the core investment. Also with our new owner, we said, okay, we have a viable business, we have a lot of opportunities here, there's a lot of additional growth potential out in the market here in the UK. So, and that is the reason why we invested.
It meets obviously all current and new standards. So for example, we have photovoltaics on the roof which contribute to the electricity consumption, etc. No fossil fuels used here. So yeah, cutting edge in terms of building technology as well.
So the authorized service and repair center, that means that our customers get really the state-of-the-art technology directly from Weiss as a spindle OEM. In addition, we are one of the less spindle service and repair providers who can also service and further develop, make design changes. It depends on the application of our customers, also for third-party spindles. We also servicing and repairing competitor spindles, and therefore you have be an authorized workshop, so that our customers really can rely on us and know what they get out of our Weiss authorized workshop. This is OEM. You will not get this from another standard workshop, not only in the UK, also globally.
Weiss are a great company to work with. They are friendly, they are approachable, and they are very knowledgeable about what they supply and deliver to us.